Welcome to my channel, the Knowledge Park Institute. Any confusion, one solution for classes 5 to 12 CBSE and IC Board all subject.
Articles. Definition. Articles are words used before nouns or noun phrases to specify their definiteness or indefiniteness. In English, there are three articles: the a and the is the definite article, used to refer to specific or particular nouns, while a and an are indefinite articles, used to refer to non-specific or generic nouns. Types of articles. 1. Definite article. The, used before singular or plural nouns to refer to specific or particular items. Indicates that the speaker is referring to a particular instance or instances of the noun. Example, please pass me the book. 2. Indefinite articles a and an. A is used before words that begin with consonant sounds, and is used before words that begin with vowel sounds. Both are used to refer to non-specific or generic instances of a noun. Example, I need a pen, or she's an excellent student. Usage. 1. Definite article. The, before specific nouns known to both the speaker and the listener. Before superlative adjectives to indicate uniqueness. Before certain singular nouns to indicate a whole class. Before unique entities such as geographical features, institutions, or works of art. Example, the sun rises in the east. 2. Indefinite articles a and an. Before singular countable nouns when introducing a new, non-specific item. Before professions, nationalities, or affiliations when used in a general sense. Before singular nouns representing a class or category. Example, a cat is a domestic animal. Exceptions and special cases. 1. Zero article. Used when referring to plural or uncountable nouns in a general or abstract sense. Used with certain proper nouns, languages, and meals. For example, he likes to play basketball. 2. Omission of articles. Articles are often omitted in headlines, titles, and slogans for brevity and impact. Articles may be omitted in certain fixed expressions, idioms, or proverbs. Example, united we stand, divided we fall. Articles in specific contexts. Academic writing. Articles are often used to introduce or define concepts and terms. The choice of article can indicate the level of familiarity or specificity of the noun.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.